The working environment on a construction site is dynamic, challenging, and requires strict adherence to safety protocols to ensure the well-being of all workers. So, here are some topics that a person should know while working in the construction. First one is general responsibilities. Visitors and workers must be given a site induction and authorized to enter. Site-employers must provide information to workers about site rules, welfare facilities, and emergency procedures. Workers should be provided with clean welfare facilities and information regarding hazards and risks at work. A safe system of work would include information such as the sequence of work and any hazards associated with the task. Risk assessments consider the likelihood of a hazard occurring and the seriousness of harm that could occur. If a task feels dangerous or unsafe, stop work and report it immediately. Second is accident reporting and recording. Reporting unsafe conditions is everyone's responsibility on site. Plant and machinery should only be used by authorized and competent operatives. Any accident causing injury must be recorded in an accident book. All relevant staff should be involved in investigating accidents and near misses. Third one is first aid and emergency procedures. All first aiders should have a current, up-to-date first aid at work certificate. The place to go in the event of an emergency is called an assembly point. The location of the emergency assembly point should be identified in a site induction. Fourth, personal protective equipment. Employers should provide workers with personal protective equipment, PPE, and the means to maintain it correctly, free of charge. Wearing PPE will help to protect workers from physical injury or ill health. Size and fit should be considered in the selection of suitable PPE. Stop work immediately and replace PPE if it gets damaged. Everyone is responsible for minimizing the amount of waste generated on site. The last one is environmental awareness and waste control. Following the site environmental risk assessment will help to prevent pollution on a construction site. Segregating waste materials supports recycling and helps to avoid pollution. Reusing leftover materials helps to save energy and conserves raw materials. Recycling construction materials avoids waste going to landfill. Spill kits should be available to clean up spilt chemicals and oils. Bats and badgers are classed as protected species and are protected by law.